Why automate your apps?
Automation platforms help you connect and sync the different apps you use every day. By automating repetitive tasks, you can save time, reduce errors, and create a smooth workflow. Whether you're managing emails, files, calendars, or project tools, automation brings everything together and boosts productivity with minimal effort.
Popular automation platforms.
Platforms like Zapier, IFTTT, If This Then That, and Make, formerly Integromat, are widely used for automation. They offer user-friendly interfaces and support thousands of apps, including Google Workspace, Slack, Trello, and more. These tools make it easy to link different services, even if you're not a coding expert.
Setting up your first automation.
Start by choosing the apps you want to connect. For example, you could set up a workflow to automatically save email attachments to Google Drive. On your chosen platform, select a trigger event, like receiving an email. Then define the action, such as uploading files. Review and test the automation to make sure it works smoothly.
Tips for seamless syncing.
To keep your apps connected effectively, update your login credentials regularly and review app permissions. Use detailed filters to customize when automations run, and avoid creating duplicate or conflicting workflows. Many platforms offer templates to jumpstart common automations, so take advantage of these to save even more time.
Expanding your workflow.
As you get comfortable with automation, you can link more apps or set up multi-step workflows. For example, automate social media posting, backup files across platforms, or track tasks in your project manager. Start simple, then build advanced processes to support your daily routines and boost your overall efficiency.